Uheani wa bataraitha ya marihi mathi kuri arimi ni thirikari ukoretwo gitungio inegene. Arimi makiuga aria maraheo bataraitha iyo ti arimi ama no ni akora aria maracoka kumenderia. Ni kumana na mathina tamaya, thirikari igathikite mubango wa kwandikithia arimi guku bururi-ini niguo makaheo mweke wa mbere guoka ni motungata ma thirikari.
So that all our subsidy programs and interventions in the farming arena will be targeted, and we will eliminate brokers, cartels and conmen.
Thirikari iratanya kwandikithia arimi milioni 2.5 kwa ihinda ria mieri 3 yukite.
We support farmers to produce in a sustainable manner, and so that we can get to our target of a food secure nation.
Oroho, thirikari itanyite kuhuthira bilioni 12 kugura mbembe kuma kuri arimi a guku bururi-ini, guku ikioria arimi o acio mahimbiria urimi wa irio iria cingitiria ugaruruku wa riera.
We will be paying all the genuine farmers in the course of this week and next week, and I have instructed the ministry to ensure that while we are paying our genuine farmers, all brokers and conmen should be targeted and should be eliminated from those lists.
Climate smart agriculture is the way to go. This must include adoption of mitigation measures and practices such as conservation agriculture, use of drought tolerance crops.
Thirikari yenyitiriire ati urimi no kinyagia uthie na mbere na gutuika munyiginyigi wa utonga wa bururi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.